time is so fast. But you know, in the Philippines, I heard something about when you reach 7 years of marriage, it's kind of like
just getting started.
No, you already passed the test, kind of thing.
Of what?
Of the marriage. It means it's more likely that you're gonna stay married.
Oh.
That's what they said. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I heard. It's like, oh, you already 7 years, then you're good. Because the most challenging part of marriage is the first 7 years, where you will get to know each other and all that. If I remember it right, that's what they would say in the Philippines. So I think we're good.
Kids are out.
When the
All
kids
the-
are gone?
All the stages, like from beginning to end of raising children. Alright.
Oh, because sometimes our problems is about kids.
Well, us dealing with our problems with kids.
Yeah.
Like the kids have, because you know, as kids grow older, they have problems, and you know.
Maybe I'm wrong, so I'm gonna Google it. Oh, it's called 7-year itch. 7-year itch is a widely recognized term, see, referring to the idea that relationships, particularly marriages, may experience a decline in satisfaction and happiness around the Oh, it's actually the it's the opposite of what I thought, right? Did I understand that right? It says may experience a decline in satisfaction and happiness around the 7-year mark. This doesn't necessarily mean that marriages automatically fail, but rather the couples may face challenges. So it's the opposite. We're just starting.
So yeah, that's what I said. Just starting. I don't know if I said it, but I was thinking.
Yeah, you said that.
Okay.
Mali pala yung isip ko. Ewan ko saan ko pa narinig yun. Sa Pilipinas narinig ko yun eh. Na parang, pag 7 years na kayo, okay na. So, 7 years is just the beginning. So yeah, the reasons are, possible causes of this is routine and boredom, unresolved issues, shift in priorities, and dwindling intimacy. Sana di ko na lang binasa yun. Feeling ko talaga, oh no, may paparating na challenges sa aming dalawa. Parang yun yung na-feel ko. But honestly, I'm very confident with our relationship. We have similar values, you know. We always work together really good, I think. Right? Am I right?
Yeah.
We're a good partner. Yeah. Sometimes we feel like we're workmates, in fact.
Yeah. Workmate. I work at the hospital, she works at home.
Yeah, and then we work our schedule around the kids and stuff like that. So that's why
we pass off duties.
Yep. And we're joking about that. We're like, hi workmate, it's your turn to do this or do that. So it's not all, I don't think it's good though. It's funny, but sometimes I feel like that's not good. I mean, there's good thing about it because we were able to, you know,
we both recognize the duties of
each other. Yeah.
Right? And like what you're doing is not just sitting at the house. Right?
Yeah. But if there's anything that you want to change in our, you know, relationship, like, I don't know, what would it be? What? Say it.
I'm not supposed to say on camera.
It's okay, I'll cut it if you don't want me to. What? Serious answer, not sexual answer.
I don't know.
Is there anything you want to change? I don't know, like maybe we should sleep. Yeah, I guess that's what I want.
What, earlier?
No, sleep beside each other.
Oh, yeah.
No kids between us, like right beside each other. Kasi ang setup namin, katabi namin matulog yung mga bata. So magkasama naman kami sa kwarto at sa kama, pero laging may mga bata sa gitna namin. So, minsan, alam mo yun, para ma-feel lang namin isa't isa, nagkakaskasan na lang kami ng legs ng paa para ma-feel namin yung isa't isa. Anything that you want to change in our
Our life is perfect. We are vloggers and our life is perfect. And what else? Isn't that what happens on vlogger life? Right?
When you say we're not perfect, then what
Sometimes the house is messy. Sometimes the kids are crazy.
No, about marriage. I'm talking about
Oh.
us.
I don't know.
Oh.
We're gaining weight.
Gaining weight together, yeah. Yeah, we're both gaining weight. Oh my god. And we're trying to like talk about it, and we were like, yeah, we're gonna do it, and we still can't do it because
Easy.
we're busy.
Kids want our attention.
Yeah, the kids just, someday we will make it up to ourselves. Gonna be healthier and all that. But at the same time, how many years are you gonna wait to be healthy? I don't
Actually,
wanna.
it should just be like part of homeschool curriculum, I think.
I know.
That's what we do. We like brush our teeth. We do exercising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, eventually we will. We just have to find the rhythm because still we're still kind of changing our routine every time because Maya is only 5 months old and she keeps changing her like sleep pattern. She have less and less naps, things like that. So yeah,
She's doing better for a longer time, or he's more manageable.
yeah. After maybe a year, when she's 1, she'll be easier.
And you'll be pregnant again.
Then I'll be fatter. But marriage-wise, I really can't think of anything. Of course, there's still some times that I'm annoyed of you for little things like, why are you playing extra with the kids? Things like that. I mean, video games, I don't like that. Those little petty things, of course, it's always there. I still get annoyed. But I don't know why he don't get annoyed of me. Is that true? You can tell me the truth. I actually want to know that you get annoyed with me.
Sometimes, but
Like what? Like when?
when you're complaining about me, about my annoying things.
You're only getting annoyed because I'm annoyed of you.
Yeah. Most of the times I'm not, but it's just occasionally when you're extra,
It's like nagging.
like
It's
going
like
on
nagging.
and on and on and on and on.
It's like
and on
nagging,
and on
right?
And on and on.
Hey,
and
it's
on
like
and on.
nagging.
Yeah, you nagger.
I don't want to be a nagger. Bungangera ba? Nung bago pa lang ako mag-asawa, nung bago pa lang kami ni Ryan, lagi ko sinasabi, kasi di ba sa Pilipinas, ang daming bungangerang nanay. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, oy, pag ako nag-asawa or naging nanay, hindi ako magiging bungangera. And then, I met him. He's very calm.
Am I not calm now?
You are very calm. And of course, you're a very good person. And that's why I thought to myself, he doesn't deserve he don't deserve a nagger wife. Also, of course, if he would turn to be like a husband who's irresponsible and all that, I would probably end up being nagger. Kasi minsan talagang nakakabunga nga din ako pagka yung mga nakakarindibang gawain sa bahay, ganyan. Nakakabunga nga din ako, pero I always try to stop myself kasi I don't think my husband deserved that. So
I deserve better.
actually, I have one. When you go to work in the morning, because he works really early morning, and I stay in bed with the kids. So hindi ko siya naaasikaso. One of my wish is that I hope in the future I would be able to get up early and prepare your food to work. That's something that I really want to do for you, but
Not gonna happen.
kids. I think I did that initially when we don't have kids, right?
I remember I used to do it for you.
Yeah, you do that for me too. Because when we don't have the kids yet, our schedule was like opposite. I work Monday to Friday as a teacher, and then on weekend he would work in the hospital. So he would do that for me on weekdays, and I would do that for him on weekends. So I stopped doing that because we have kids, and I always need sleep, and he always have early morning duty. So hindi ko na siya naasikaso, and we got used to it. And I miss doing that for you. And I still want to do that for you. It's just that I'd rather sleep.
Yeah.
And he understands that. Because, me and the kids, we stay in bed late. We sleep in.
Big
Is there anything else you want to say to me?
anniversary.
Today is our 7th year wedding anniversary. So, ito ay regalo sa akin ng aking asawa. Ayan. Niregaluhan ako ng aking Diyosawa. Kasi, anniversary namin. Days before, hindi namin napag-uusapan yung anniversary. Para bang never namin pag-usapan na, ay, anniversary na natin this week, ganyan-ganyan, or next week, wala. So, parang sabi ko, nakalimutan ba niya? Hindi niya binabanggit eh. So, hindi ko rin binabanggit. Hinihintay ko na siya yung magsabi. So, hanggang kagabi, hindi niya sinasabi. Eh, may pasok siya today. So, akala ko talaga nakalimutan niya. I was really sad nung patulog na kami. So, kung nakalimutan niya yata talaga. Tapos, kinaumagahan, napapasok na siya sa work, nagising ako, tapos, nagpaalam siya, napapasok na siya. Parang ginising niya ako, sabi niya, happy anniversary. Ay, kinilig ang lola. Kasi, he don't usually wake me up kapag umaga. Pero kaninang umaga, ginising niya ako para batiin ako bago siya pumasok. And then sabi ko, oh, I thought you forgot. Tapos yun, ay, happy anniversary, ganyan. Yay, arte. Kinilig naman ang lola. I was smiling the whole time na gising ako. Tapos tumayo na rin ako. Pagpunta ko sa kusina, meron nito. Sabi ko, ay, tara, may parigalo pa. Eh, hindi naman kami usually nagre-regaluhan. Wait lang. So, lalagay ko yung water dito. So, dahil, ang reasoning namin is more on money. Kasi pag mag-asawa kami, parang isang bank account na lang, joint kami, ganyan. So, parang his money is my money is his money. So, parang we are as one. So, kapag ginastos niya yung pera namin, for me, we have to make sure na I really like that and that we really need it. Parang ganun. So, parang hindi sayang. So, itong coffee maker na to, inalok niya to sa akin nung nakaraan. Sabi niya, may nakita kong coffee maker doon na naka-sale, ganyan-ganyan. Parang, gusto mo bili tayo? Ganyan sabi niya. Sabi ko, I don't know. Baka kasi mahal eh. Kasi Keurig, yung parang pods yung coffee. Testing ko muna and test and rinse. So, empty water lang.
Hello.
What?
Yeah.
Jack, Mom. Coffee maker.
I was just testing it.
Uh-huh.
Maya woke up, so I was just setting it up, and then Maya woke up. Happy anniversary.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. She wake up.
Yeah, she did.
You can look.
So, ayan na, tinas na namin. Malinis naman na siya. Nilinis ko na. Okay na, tinas namin na water lang. So, lalagyan na namin ng coffee pods. He asked me if I think I will like it. I said I will like it, but my only concern is, the cost of the coffee pods. Kasi nga, baka mas mahal yung kape. Kasi meron siyang specific na pods na nilalagay dito sa taas. Ayan, yun nandito. So, isang cup, isang pods, parang ganun. So, I think you did the math, right?
Yeah.
You said it's not that
There's
expensive.
one, like the one at Lidl. The bag of coffee costs the same amount as the pods.
Okay.
And they're both 12 ounces.
Okay. So, yeah, it's not that bad. So, it's the same.
Yeah.
See.
Let me see.
See what?
They are both curious about it. What do you want to see?
The water.
So, when did you remember that it's our anniversary? Because I feel like for days we haven't talked about it.
Yeah.
So I was just waiting for you to tell me about it, and I thought, oh my God, he forgot. So when did you actually remember?
I don't know. I bought this like 1 or 2 weeks ago.
1 or 2 weeks ago. Oh, you bought this 2 weeks ago?
Daddy.
Where was it?
In my shop.
Maker. Hey, Daddy.
Huh.
Mama, coffee maker.
Thank you, Daddy.
Mommy.
What?
Daddy. Daddy, you change your clothes.